Hello guys, and welcome to another YouTube video. So 2 weeks ago I've made a video about how to fix and install the DW1820A Wi-Fi card. So at this video I didn't get into details, so I decided to make another video about the different steps to follow to get this card working perfectly. I've also received messages about problems some of you have been facing, like wake from sleep problem, or the Bluetooth or Wi-Fi not working after waking the laptop from sleep, or also that the method I've proposed in the last video didn't work for some of you. So in this video there will be more details. Also, please make sure to watch my first video about this Wi-Fi card before you watch this one. So if after trying my first video steps you have some problems, or if it doesn't work with you, so you can go ahead and watch this one. So please, if you like this video and if this helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more other videos. So let's get into it.